driving all the old men crazy. The boys are back in town, boys are back in town. I said, the boys are back in town. 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 Chick that used to dance a lot. Every night she'd be on the floor shaking what she'd got. Man, when I tell you she was cool, she was red hot. I mean, she was steaming. And that time over at Johnny's place, well, this chick got up and she slapped Johnny's face. Man, we just fell about the place. If that chick don't wanna know, forget her. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. I said, the boys are back in town.
Alright, Joey is currently slightly stuck. And he's going to attempt to make it through. I'm really surprised you let me videotape this. Oh, there you go. Almost there, almost there. Yeah, Joey. Where are you going? Where are you going?
That's deep snow over there. Don't go over there.
Alright, there goes Joey to get stuck. I can't see.
He's using your tires for that.
I know. He needs to make his own. There he goes. Yeah, I use the element of no speed.
The element of cheating.
Get stuck, get stuck.
Let me go on. That's so deep. All right.
There he goes. Yes, 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 yes. Damn it.
Acting like a fly.
Alright, how do you zoom in? Spin it. Alright, who's going to hit us? What do you mean? What?
Bad. You're stuck.
Go! The Ford sucks. Woo! Fuck that stupid Jeep.